Most people will scroll past this video and later wonder why their bank account is stuck at $4.62. But you're still here. Maybe you're built differently. Maybe you're actually serious about making $10,000 a month, using nothing but your brain, your time, and maybe your mom's Wi-Fi. Meet Tom and Jake, two best friends, two envelopes, $1,000 each, gifted by their grandpa. Tom had a dream. Jake had, well, TikTok addiction. Tom thought, how can I grow this $1,000? Jake thought, how much pizza and beer can I buy? Tom looked for a vehicle. Not a real vehicle. Relax, he wasn't buying a Tesla. A way to grow his money. He found three powerful paths: freelancing, digital products, print-on-demand business. First, he learned a skill. Tom decided to become a freelance video editor. $0 to learn on YouTube. $0 to start. Just hustle. He made his first $100 on Fiverr. Then $500. Then, a client paid him $1,200 in 1 month. Next, Tom created digital products. Simple stuff, Canva templates, study planners, even memes. Every time someone bought one for $10, Tom made money while sleeping. And just for fun, Tom launched a t-shirt shop. His bestseller, a hoodie that said, "Wi-Fi is my second religion." Meanwhile, Jake bought 43 pizzas, 12 packs of beer, and a broken hoverboard. His $1,000, gone, faster than you can say. Bad financial decisions. By the end of the year, Tom was making $10,000 a month, while Jake was still asking for rides to 7-Eleven. You have your own $1,000 moment right now. Maybe it's not from grandpa. Maybe it's just the time you have, the skills you can build. The only question is, which boy will you be? Tom, or Jake? If you want me to make a full video showing exactly how to start freelancing, or how to create your first digital product, comment below. Type, "I'm Tom," if you're serious, and if you're Jake, well, at least you're honest.